Otumfuo nyame kɛse. Otumfuo nyame kɛse. Onyame bɔ ajɛ, ɔbɔ ahene, ɔbɔ asanteman, ɔbɔ Otumfuo. Nana wokwaso, nana wokwaso. Otumfuo nyame kɛse. Otumfuo nyame kɛse. Onyame bɔ ajɛ, ɔbɔ ahene, ɔbɔ asanteman, ɔbɔ Otumfuo. Nana wonkwaso, nana wonkwaso. Abɔdensa o, ayeko, 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 ayeko. Nana wonkwaso, yema wusu pejawo, wawo, ohine, ayeko.
Nana, wabusuafoɔ yɛde wɔn kɔɔ titititi na wɔn aba ha yi wɔn aba this is their first time na wɔn si sese deɛ wɔso wɔn bɛba abɛhu nti neɛ wɔn firi Alabama lawyers ne judges ɛna wɔn aba nti wɔn aba fie wɔn nso wɔn hia wɔn nhyira
na wo ne hwan
maybe de akosua eboa Can you stand up and introduce?
Hello, my name is Anya Colum, and I am the president of the Alabama Lawyers Association, which is the black lawyers in Alabama. This is our first time, I think, for everyone in Ghana and in Kumasi, and we're just really excited to be here. I think as we've been in Ghana, one of the quotes that I've heard that resonates with most of us would be that I am not African because I was born in Africa, but because Africa was born in me. And we know that the blood of Ashanti is in our veins. And we are just so excited to be here, to be back home. And we thank you and we ask that you give us your blessing and that we are able to return back one day.
My name is Alethea Pittman, and I'm an attorney, and I have been blessed to return to the home of my ancestors, and I thank you for allowing us to greet you today.
Hello, I am Judge Elizabeth French. I'm a judge, I'm the presiding judge in Alabama of Birmingham of the trial courts there. I'm honored to be here on behalf of all of our black judges in the state. Thank you for having us.
Good afternoon. I am Patricia Stevens. I am a judge who serves in the 10th Judicial Circuit with our presiding Judge Elizabeth French. Thank you for having us.
My name is LaCheryl Dodge. I'm an attorney in Alabama. Thank you for having us, and we appreciate your time.
I am Angeline Sparlin. I am an attorney. I am grateful to have the opportunity to meet each and every one of you, and thank you.
My name is LeBaron Boone, and I've been the past president of this beautiful organization, Alabama Lawyers Association. I've been the president of all lawyers in the nation for the United States of America, called the National Trial Lawyers. I've also been the president of the National Black Trial Lawyers. So it is our privilege to be here, to come to our home, and ask you to accept us into your family. Thank you.
I'm Courtney French, also an attorney in Birmingham, Alabama. It's such an honor to be here. We're thankful to God for you having us, and thank you for welcoming us home.
I am Robbie Barganier. I'm also a past president of the Alabama Lawyers Association, which again is our black lawyers in the state of Alabama. It is an honor to be here, and it's good to be home.
I am Joy Travis. I am an attorney in Birmingham, and thank you for the opportunity to be here.
My name is Rose Bethune, and I'm an attorney in Montgomery, Alabama. Thank you for having us.
Greetings. My name is Mary Stone. I'm an attorney in Mobile and Baldwin counties. It is an honor and a blessing to be here.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Attorney Luba Cole, and I am an attorney in Montgomery, Alabama. And I really appreciate you guys taking time to receive us today. It is a blessing to be back in the motherland. Thank you.
Let's visit today.
Joe.
Welcome to your own home. It's a delight to see you. Whatever circumstances that took you there, you left us here.
Joe.
But there's a very good reunion for you to come back to your own land.
Joe.
Where you belong. It's under the circumstances of history that we find ourselves divided like that.
Joe.
Then I think we also cherish the whole idea that when you come like this, we also know that we have our own daughters and sisters and mothers and friends also coming back to be with us.
Joe.
We would encourage you as much as possible as we feel, whatever the history or circumstances that we find ourselves, to also believe in yourself that you also belong somewhere.
Joe.
America, yes, that's where you belong, but I don't think you are inferior because you belong to a nation that has history and everything.
Joe.
History more than where you are anyway. And therefore, please be proud that you are from here and you identify yourself here. That is where your ancestry is.
Joe.
I would always love and cherish you. I would always love and welcome you to this place.
Sure.
And I want you to believe that you have somewhere to go, you have somewhere that you belong, and that's where you all have to appreciate and accept.
Sure.
Whatever circumstances that led us 400 years ago, I just want to assure you that at that time, whatever it was, Africa is still being manipulated by the Western world anyway. So even at that time and this time where we have electronics and everything and civilization and everything, we are still being manipulated.
Sure.
So under the circumstances where my forefathers at that time and then now, we still have the same circumstances as it is now.
Sure.
Therefore, it is for us to build together and believe together and build together to extricate ourselves from whatever circumstances we believe we have. And that listening to you, where you've studied up to attorneys, lawyers and everything, the resource that I have, the human resource that I have here, the manpower that I have, is something that we can turn to our benefit.
Sure.
In relation to developing the black identity. And therefore, please, I encourage you to believe that you have somewhere to go, you have somewhere that you are loved, you have somewhere that you are cherished, and this is me here showing my affection and love to my own people here. So I thank you very much for this visit. It's very emotional, but then I know that I've had my people back to me. So I thank you very much for coming to see us today. I made time when I was told that you had said, no, let them come, I want to see them. and let them feel that they are home. So you are home, and I thank you. And please bear in mind, I'm here waiting for you anytime. I don't come to your place regularly, and you don't come regularly, but now from today, we have to make it a point to be meeting regularly.
Sure.
Who knows, one day some of you are going to be my attorneys and my defending me somewhere, even though I don't get into any trouble anyway. But at least I'm assured that I have lawyers and judges who can look after me. And I thank you very much for that. Thank you for coming. Okay, line up and I'll shake hands with everybody before you
Otumfuo. Nana wonkoso,